What's good, notification gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, I had a lot of people asking me, hey, Drizzle, you and RG3 still doing the woofing challenge? Woo, 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 you feel me? Yes, we still doing the woofing challenge, and this one right here is the 9-week update. And this one right here, I'm gonna show y'all what the wolf looking like. I think it's still looking a little manageable. You feel me? I'm gonna do a comeback too, also, cause I know I promised y'all a comeback a while back. So I'm gonna come back, show y'all what the wolf, how long the wolf really is. But first, you know I gotta roll the intro, man. Come on, Drizzle gang, man.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch, so I two-toned it.
Alright gang, man, we're gonna hop right into it, man. But before I get into it, I wanna shout out my boy right here, man. I told him I was gonna give him a shout out, so clap it up for him real quick, man. You feel me? But yeah, man, big salute to you, man. I told you I was gonna set you straight. Yeah, man. Let's get into this wolf. Whoa, hey, wait. Hey man, look, I supposed to been drop this video, man. Like, I supposed to drop this video last week. I'm sorry about that, man. I apologize. But look, I ain't wanna edit it and not drop it. You feel me? You see what I'm saying? Like, time is money. Money is time. You feel me? I'm about that Monifa, man. You feel me? I'm about that Monifa. I had to come in and let y'all know the video late. My hair actually longer now. You feel me? But now that we got that out the way, we're gonna get back to the video. Really what I've been doing, I just, like last week, I believe, I just started double compression, you feel me? So basically what I've been doing at night, you know, I do the regular night routine for me. I do a hard brush, medium hard, a medium, and then I do the soft brush, you feel me? I also got a video coming up on my brush collection, you feel me? Cause I got like 12, 13 brushes. You feel me? So I'm gonna show y'all what the brush collection looking like. But yeah, that was basically what I've been doing. Then I plastic bag after that. That really been helping, you feel me? Yeah man, let's get into this unrag and all that good stuff, man. stuff was real, man. You feel me? I ain't trim, I ain't do nothing. Been getting lineups. That's pretty much it, man. If you enjoyed the video, man, please do not leave without giving your boy a thumbs up, because at the end of the day, it showed me that you rocking with me. Support the channel, man. You feel me? So, if you new, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video on your boy SwaggDrizzle, man. And you already know what's going on, man.